Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying subtitles are enabled on the video and choosing the correct language. This prevents chasing the wrong track. Next, measure the delay precisely. Watch a clear visual cue and note subtitle time versus action, or use a stopwatch to get milliseconds. Once done, locate the SRT or the auto-generated captions in YouTube Studio. Having the file or access is essential. This step gets you from guessing to measuring and makes the next adjustments accurate rather than approximate. Now you perform the time shift. Open the subtitle file in a subtitle editor or YouTube Studio. Apply a global shift equal to the measured delay, positive or negative. Once the bulk shift is applied, make sure to scrub through several scenes and fine-tune individual lines where reading speed or punctuation causes drift. Save a backup before exporting a revised SRT, and then play the subtitles locally with your video to confirm sync across different scenes. If it looks correct, you're ready to upload. Finally, upload the corrected SRT in YouTube Studio under Subtitles and replace the old track. Make sure to publish the change. After publishing, clear your browser cache and disable extensions that alter playback, then verify on a phone and desktop to confirm consistency. If you still see lag, try smaller incremental shifts or regenerate auto captions and repeat the process. Sometimes platform encoding introduces slight offsets. One troubleshooting tip: if only some devices show delay, it's usually local cache or.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.